Thank you. Hey, Savannah. I told them.
Unless we just buy the 4-pack and just leave it for dolphins.
Oh, yeah, okay, I guess. Hang on, I just see. Oh, yeah. Oh, buddy. This is nice enough. Yeah. This is what we come to get, guys. Don't judge us. We need to wipe our bum bums. Get out, Savannah. Don't laugh at us. That's all we come for. Big trolley, one item. Very crucial item. At least they carried our stuff while we were walking.
Hello.
Hello.
Big fan of yours.
Oh, hello.
I've just subscribed to your channel.
Oh, hey.
Are you here from Australia?
Yeah. We come to the Palifono.
I just finished watching your show last night.
Oh, which one?
Yeah, you were the granddaughter?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Everything. From Kina to everything.
Oh, hello.
Nice
What's
to
your
see
name?
you. My name's Heather.
Oh, hello,
I'll give you
Heather.
a shout out. I'll say that I mentioned
Oh,
so,
nice to meet you.
Because I love watching you.
Oh, thank
Make
you.
food just been so awesome.
Oh, thank you very
It's
much,
okay.
Heather.
See
You take care. Nice to meet you.
Give me a shout out.
Oh, thank you. Did you finish all your chips last night? I ate all mine. Because I woke up at 4. Because I don't know, I couldn't sleep, nervous about meeting everyone today. Hello. Yeah, only that. Very important. Okay. Look like we have to. But then your dad asked if you should have been and bought a Big Ben for our breakfast tomorrow. Big Ben pies. We'll go in. Yeah, anyway guys, we are here because this place was recommended to us by Cliff. He stays in Samoa, but obviously he's been here before to eat, so we're just here to try it out, me and my baby here. Savannah. We had a long day today with Palifono, and it was so good meeting everyone. It was happy, and she was snoring in the taxi, but I stayed awake. But anyway, we just got to order our food and then I'll show you guys what we got, okay? Hi guys, our food finally came. Got the fried rice, and Savannah got some noodle soup. And then I ordered this egg plant and beans, and a mixed plate of pork chicken.
There's some rice.
Barbecue. Rice pork, barbecue pork, and duck.
Look what she got, Geneva.
Anyway, hanging on properly.
Vegetables.
Yeah.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
and then we had a discussion, we ate, and then what's it called? We had another, like, we went in a big circle, we spoke about like what they do for the channel, and like everyone asked questions about to everyone. It's quite cute.
This place is so worth it, baby. You alright, Geneva?
I'm hungry.
Oh, okay, hang on. Want some barbecue
No,
sauce, baby?
Mommy, stop it. You make me jealous.
Oh, Geneva, guess what? The Polyphonal will be in Melbourne next year.
What?
I don't know someone.
So, what's it called? You might be able to come.
What's up, Mum?
Alright, baby.
Hey, Mum, I'm about to go out.
Where?
I'm going out. I have no money. Where you at?
I'm at a big one.
Just used to.
Yeah.
Why is there so much place?
Because of that.
Oh. Yeah, Mum. I'm gonna go out. I have no money.
How do you have no money?
Well, I can't transfer the money until I get home.
Wait, how much money did you put on my card?
I think it's 58 or 48.
Pardon?
58 or 48.
Alright, sweet. That's all I need to know.
Well, it might be only 38 by now.
Yeah, it's okay. Because you got back in Sunday.
Huh?
I'm coming to the airport to pick his
Here, have the green, Geneva.
Hey, Mum.
Yeah.
So what have you been up to? What have you been doing?
Well, we just doing a funny photo today.
Oh, I miss you.
I miss the sun.
Yeah. I don't know why you didn't send them that.
Hmm?
I don't know why you didn't send them that. You say
Pardon?
He's saying, why don't you take Granddad?
you should have sent them that. You say I don't know. He should know. He knows the ways.
Don't know what you're saying.
He's saying you should have sent Granddad instead of you. You should have sent him.
Oh, oh. But stop giving Dad a headache.
No, I'll do my chores and stuff.
Your one job.
No, I pack away the dishes and stack the dishes. Yeah. And I cleaned up, so and I got the bins and stuff.
Did you hear Geneva in the background? When?
Yeah, weird.
Hey, Mum. So where you at? You at Auckland? Where you is?
We're at Mount Albert
We're in Auckland.
barbecue noodle house.
Auckland at a food restaurant. Why is it so empty, bro?
There's no people
It's
not
early.
here yet.
Yeah, it's like not even dinner time.
We came before the rush.
It's
What about what the food is?
So what are you eating, bro?
Fried rice. We got barbecue noodle. Look up the phone and just tell us.
So we have fried rice, noodle and barbecue pork, egg omelette, a mixture of meats like duck, chicken and everything, beans, and that's it.
This is our dinner. And that's Noah, my son over here, wishing he had some. In the video, recording our mukbang. Egg bouillon, some Annie. I wish you were here, son. You could eat most of this. Had a good day at Hollywood today. Had a really good time. Anyway, it's time to go. Bye, son.
Oh, it's the same bite of her phone, but same
No,
bite.
it's okay.
And
No, I should buy it. I was recording you saying bye to you.
Is Chalora home? What?
Hey, hey, everybody live in minutes. When you charge your phone, you might not be able to bring out a taxi. Nice one, right? Yeah, finally, but what is it?
A keychain, did you say?
Very good.
How's screwdriver?
Did you go?
Obviously, education first.
Yeah.
What are you having for dinner? Why? Where is everyone? Where's your dad?
That's a word. So long.
Is Chalora at work? Where is she?
She thinks she's 18-year-old.
No? Not it to my name. No, we can tonight. I wish we can take this place with us.
I had a nap, and then Noah woke me up, and then he said Savannah called me, so I called you, and yeah. I'm gonna go Chula, because I have to.
Hey, well, baby.
Oh, it's just eating big things.
Your one's on the garden.
Everyone's phones are up to that. Here's the Uber.
Huh?
Eat it.
Here, barbecue pork, sweetheart.
You're making me jealous, Mom, but it's not fair. Where are your burgers, huh? Sure, even you.
We had burgers last night for dinner.
Wendy's.
Wendy's.
Oh, no one's here. What are you doing about me right now?
This is nice, eh? I like eat omelette with a lot of bean sprout.
Have you said anything else than this?
We had tacos and nachos for lunch.
It's 5:55 over there.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so good. If only this was nearby our house. In New Zealand. Hey guys, happy me beans.
Hey, guys.
Look at her.
That's a wee bit.
Yeah, she just tried to feed you duck, Geneva.
Have some more wee pigs. Mommy, are you gonna go see Uncle George?
No. You don't have any time. Really? No, no.
Charlie.
You can come and visit Charlie. Charlie's a
And
dog.
if you can, put him in your bag. Put Charlie in your bag, you run.
Sharon can, I mean, Savannah can wear him. This is so good.
She said how sleeping alone.
Like, Mount Albert barbecue noodle. That's really nice food. Fast service as well. So, very good.
Mom, is the bed good?
Huh?
Is the bed good? Was it good without me on there?
No.
Oh, that's good. I like it, I like it.
I miss you, my baby.
I made you too.
Ugly voice.
I can't see nothing. I don't see the room.
I know. What This is chicken omelette. No, chicken fried rice.
How's your wee bits?
And the thing, guys, is iced tea.
I said, how's your wee bits?
Cheers. It's Mr. Khan. Mr. Khan. What does that mean? The Khan out of the Angels brand? It's Mr. Khan. Iced tea.
Keep it cookie. Go
Huh?
feed cookie. You haven't said it.
Feed cookie.
Well, don't forget to feed cookies.
No, the last time we fed it was like yesterday.
He gets tree food all the time.
You didn't feed him this morning. Feed him this morning. Like, no? Mom, see something?
What time is it, Geneva?
It's 3:58.
What time?
3 o'clock.
Oh, it's not there. 3:59.
It's 6 o'clock here. 3 o'clock over there.
Yeah. So that means it's 5:58 over there.
We thought we'll come and have dinner before we start. Ooh, look. Oh,
That's yuck. Don't do that.
we made so many people.
So many.
Yes. They sit beside us. Come on, we're going next time. God willing.
I think so.
Wendy's not in Melbourne.
They're not in Melbourne, they're in Brisbane. Brisbane's in Queensland. Shani used to live in Melbourne, but then she
Where's she moved from?
got back to Brisbane. She started off in Brisbane, and then she moved to Melbourne for her boyfriend. but then she's a YouTuber. She's not gonna make up.
Oh,
She moved in with her boyfriend, but then I think they split. She moved back.
What's that place called?
Mount Albert Barbecue Noodle
House.
House.
What?
I wish I could read the text of what I'm doing.
Oh, what we were here just have noodles.
Wait, is it better than
Yes.
the noodles better over here or over?
Wow, I'm gonna say the noodles, but I'll say the other two.
You know what? Like, so that teaches me to listen more, huh? Be able about that.
Maybe it's just up, it's like almost 4 o'clock.
I don't know. She thinks she's another.
All this food is so delicious, guys. So if you are here, so if you stay in the area and you can make it to Mount Albert Barbecue Noodle,
You know,
and you come here, it's really, really nice. I know there's a lot of Chinese places around, or Asian places. This is pretty good, guys, and I'm just letting you know, just in case you're in the area, but gotta let you go. Okay, guys? See you later. Bye. Pass through. Take care, guys.